Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started.
Go to Financial Management. Click on Taxation. Go to Setup. Then to Tax Treasury. Click on Tax Treasury. Add Treasury. Add Adjustment COA. Select Sales Adjustment COA. Select status as active and inactive. Again, select Adjustment COA. Again, select Sales Adjustment COA. Add Treasury. Check status active and inactive. Click on Save and Update. Treasury Tax and Loan Service, or TT&L, is a service offered by the Federal Reserve Banks of the United States that keeps tax receipts in the banking sector by depositing them into select banks that meet certain criteria.